For today's video is going to answer many questions that have been asked in the past by some of the people that are kind of very close to me and some that they became closer to me through this platform. It's all about my updated skincare routine. Welcome back, ladies. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So the product I'll be introducing to you today, it's one of the quests that I've been on like for some time now, looking for a facial mask that is natural, that doesn't have too much of these chemical things going on, if you all get my point. And this particular one I'm introducing to you today is by a company called Charbon Plus.
Do you believe in love? How crazy it could be, baby, stop. Take it easy.
The product that I'm introducing today is made in Africa and specifically formulated for black skin and brown skin. Before we jump right into today's video, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. And please do leave me comment in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts about this video. So I've been using this facial mask by Charbon Plus for like 2 weeks now, and I've been loving the results. I'm going to be showing you the clips of me. You all can tell I'm wearing makeup right now, but I'm going to show you the video of me where I've been using it, my application, and how I felt after I finished using it, how my skin looked like before and after I did my skincare routine. On this day, I went to see the new movie that just came out, the one that is titled The Woman King. It was so interesting. I just got back from the movie, so I said, why not, before I do my skincare, to use this Masque Coco that was sent to me by this company. It's a Charbon Plus mask. This mask is organic African mask for melanin skin, and you can find their products on their website charbon-plus.com. It's a Charbon Plus mask, which I've never tried before, so it's going to be very interesting. I would really like to have the experience before I finally give you my final thoughts about it. You all can tell I have makeup on, so I'm going to go ahead, like I removed my lashes already. I'll go ahead and wipe down this makeup on my face. Of course, I'm going to be taking off my necklace. Then I'm going to go to the bathroom and wash my face, then come back on the camera to apply this Masque Coco by Charbon Plus. I will now come back to the camera to apply it, then follow the instruction that it's on their website on how to use it. Then we go from there. Gently apply Masque Coco to your clean face. Leave it for 10 minutes and rinse off with warm water, revealing a nourishing moisture infused into your skin. Masque Coco is vegan, cruelty-free, and suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Soothing chamomile and lavender essential oil protect you from pollution. The key ingredient in this Masque Coco mask are 100% organic coconut shell activated charcoal. It detox the skin. This mask is handcrafted in Africa and formulated for black, brown, or melanin rich skin. Masque Coco, the African coconut charcoal mask, gently detoxifies and renew your skin to bring out your youthful natural glow. So I have 13 seconds left to round up to 10 minutes. So this is me out of the shower, washed my face, and we will go ahead and pat it dry. So my first impression about this, even though it was so tight, when I put it on my face, it was easy to rinse off. Remember, you use warm water. The moment I added water on my face, just splash it, it was just falling out. Like, it was very easy to wash off. It just make my feels like I have a moisturizer on. You can see a little bit that my face is not that super dry. So ladies, this is 1 week now that I'm going to continue using this, the Masque Coco by Charbon Plus. So this is how my face look like after I've washed. Actually, I took my bath, you know. Yeah, it's in the night already. It's about time for me to go to bed, but I still have like 2 more hours, so I'm gonna just give my skincare time to work on my skin before I lay down. So my face is looking like this, and I'll go ahead and apply the mask by Charbon Plus. So this is the mask on my face. I'll be back in 10 minutes to review my skin. So this is how my face is looking after I rinse the mask off. See, look at that. It still gives my face like give it like I have moisturizer on, and I don't have any form of moisturizer on. It's just the mask. Just took it off. This is after I apply my skincare, and this is how my face is looking. For those of you with acne problem, I recommend this mask for you, and the reason is because I don't really have acne, but on that time of the month, you all get what I mean. I do have a breakout, maybe like 1 around here or 2 around here. It's just gonna be there, and during this period, I don't know why, I had 1 before I started using this mask, and what I noticed immediately I applied the mask, the following day it was gone. I am telling you the honest truth. I couldn't even find it anymore. I couldn't even find the black spots. You know, that spot that you usually have whenever you have breakouts, it's disappear. So I'm going to recommend this mask for you. If you know you have acne, give this mask a try, because it's going to take away every impurity from your skin, and it does help my skincare to absorb easily into my skin. The following morning when I woke up, ladies, my skin was still glowing. It feels like I had skincare on early in the morning, and that wasn't the issue. You know, when you sleep, you're gonna turn around on your, although I use silk pillowcase, even though at that you still turn around and turn around and turn around, all your skincare will rub on your skin on your pillowcase. But when I woke up, my skin was still like shining, like it looks glowing. That's the right word to use. It was glowing. So I would recommend that if you have acne, try this product from Charbon Plus. You're gonna love it. Alright ladies, please do not forget to check in the description box to get the link for the discount code, also the link that will take you to Charbon Plus website. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section about this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.